Hello and welcome to another Windowparts video. Today we will be showing you the different variations of locks that our Flexi Ultimate Door Handle will fit. Now, our Flexi Ultimate Door Handle is long enough that it should clear most multipoint door lock gearboxes that are out there. First off is the Full X variation. This PZ is 68mm between the two centres. So all you have to do is line your handle up with the hole where the spindle goes through, place the spindle in the handle to go through the lock, and then do the same with the other side. Move that into the same position. And just to show you, that's how it all lines up. So you'll line up with the cylinder and the spindle. Next up, we will show you the 9270 variation, which can be seen on Asgard locks, as it also shows on Miele lever pad locks as well, twin spindle. So 92 is the inside dimension, as you can see on the top hole of the gearbox, and 70 is the distance on the bottom hole, which would be the outside. Okay, so 92mm on the inside, 70mm on the outside. Again, use on your inside handle, line it up with the top hole, and the outside handle, line it up with the bottom hole, and just do the same thing again. Use one spindle to go through the bottom hole, and one spindle to go through the top hole, and attach the handles to the door. There's only one or two locks that our handle does not fit, one of them being the Malenko 117. It will also not suit aluminium door locks, which are 48mm in length, that's the PZ center's 48mm. Again, our handle will not adjust to that size, so you would have to find a different handle to suit that. Both these dimensions are available through us. We do a handle that suits a 48mm and a handle that suits the 117mm. Both of these are available on our website or in store. On the next one, we have a Lockmaster lever pad gearbox. This variation is a 9262 dimension. So on the inside again, it's 92mm. On the outside, it's 62mm. So it's different to the Asgard and the Miele. You'll find this on a lot of gearboxes. They're not the same, despite common belief that they are the same, they are not. So again, with this one, move the handles to suit the appropriate hole. Inside handle to go with the top hole, outside handle to go with the bottom hole. And again, place your cylinder in to make sure all of it lines up, and screw it onto the door. And of course, then we've got the last one. In this example, it's an Era. This is a single spindle, or also known as a split spindle, i.e. it's split in the middle so that so each side operates independently of each other. Once that's done, so line up your handle with the single spindle, and with the Euro hole below, place the spindle in onto one side to keep it all nice and level, line up the other handle with those holes, and screw it onto the door. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.